Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. Matt earns a bonus based on the total sales made each day. Matt made sales on Monday and Wednesday. The bonus is 15% of the total sales made. The sales made on Monday totaled $1,225. The bonus Matt earned for sales made on Monday and Wednesday was $510. What was the total value in dollars of the sales made by Matt on Wednesday? Okay, here we have the sales made by Matt on Monday, that is $1,225, and we have to find the sales made by Matt on Wednesday. Okay, now let me write the stuff over here. There is sales on Monday. Let me write the stuff. Sales on Monday, that is given in the question, that is equal to $1,225, and sales on Wednesday. Let me write the stuff over here. Sales on Wednesday equals to, that's what we have to find. Let me assume the sales on Wednesday as a W. Okay, now let me get the total sales on both Monday and Wednesday. Monday plus Wednesday, the total sales, which is equal to W positive 1,225. So this is the total sales he made, Matt made on Monday and Wednesday. And also the question, the information says the bonus is 15% of the total sales made. And another information we have to consider over here, there is the bonus Matt earned for sales made on Monday and Wednesday was $510. So for the 2 days, for the sales made on these 2 days, Monday and Wednesday, he got a bonus of $510. Okay, already we got the total sales for Monday and Wednesday in terms of W, that is W positive 1,225. And also 15% is the bonus for the total sales. Okay, now let's calculate the bonus we have for Matt on Monday and Wednesday. For that, we have to calculate 15% of the total sales over here. So 15% of the total sales are made on Monday and Wednesday, that is W positive 1,225. So this is a bonus Matt will get for the sales made on Monday and Wednesday. But this bonus is already given in the question. That is $510. That is a bonus Matt earned for sales made on Monday and Wednesday. So it must be equal to 510. Okay, now in this equation we have to solve for W, which represents the sales made by Matt on Wednesday. Here we can convert this 15% as decimal. When I convert this 15% as decimal, I'm getting 0.15. And when we have the word OF in math, it can be considered as multiplication. Then we get 0.15 times W positive 1,225 equals to 510. Okay, now we have to distribute this 0.15 to this W and 1,225. When I distribute this 0.15 to W, I'm getting 0.15 times W. When I distribute this 0.15 to this 1,225, I have to multiply these two values. When I multiply 0.15 and 1,225, I am getting 183.75. On the right side, we have 510. Okay, now to solve for W in this equation, we have to isolate W. For that, we have to get rid of all the values around the variable W. First, let me get rid of this positive 183.75. For that, we have to subtract 183.75 from both sides. Let me do it. When I do so, this positive value, negative value will cancel out. I am getting 0.15 times W. On the left side, when I subtract 183.75 from 510, I am getting 326.25. Now to solve for W, we have to divide both sides by 0.15. Let me do it. When I do so, this 0.15 will cancel. I'm getting W on the left side. Okay, now let me divide 326.25 by 0.15. When I divide, so I am getting 2,175. That is the sales made by Matt on Wednesday is $2,175.